guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the Made by Google event. I'm so excited. This is my very first Google event and I'm so happy to bring you guys along with me. I got the Pixel 8 right here and I'm excited because they are announcing the Pixel 9 lineup. Here's my quick outfit of the day, matching this blue Pixel 8. I love it. The event starts in 2 hours. I'm so excited. Let's go. Made by Google, we're here. So we are now at the dinner party. It's not actual dinner, but check out all of the different phones and they have a really cool place setting that matches. I match this perfectly, guys. Look at this. Here we have the black. Obviously, this one is my favorite and look at how perfect it matches my nails. I'm gonna get the pink one, do a full review using it for a week, and I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm leaving the event. I just picked up my device. I got the peony pink. I love it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to unbox it for you guys. There's never been a phone this bright pink. Google delivered. Thank you. So we have some behind the scenes interviews going on right now, which is really cool. You can watch them live on YouTube. And there's also a whole live after party with Kiki Palmer online right now. There's gonna be clips of me. So if you're watching, hey! Alright guys, we are now in the store. We're gonna take a group photo with Kiki Palmer. I got my goods already and we're also getting cookies. Thank you! Alright, now we're just doing a little shopping. What should I get? Guys, if you're seeing this, like and subscribe. Y'all know how much I'm obsessed with puzzles. I kind of want this. I think I want to get the bucket hat. It's kind of cute. Alright guys, I got my goods. Let me give you a little haul. So I got the Google puzzle. I also got these little notebooks that are gonna go inside my purse because I always have a pen in my purse but nothing to write on. These little stickers for my niece. How cute. These are the little notebooks. This one's cute. I'm feeling lucky. Have a googly day. Old school doodles and original Google Docs. This one's my favorite. This is going straight into my purse. All right, we are at the Google Cafe and I want to get a coffee and a water. Look at how big this butter croissant is. Oh my gosh. I wish I tried that. Watermelon mint refresher. It's so sunny outside. I made a new friend from Canada. Say hello. Let's go find some snacks, maybe something to eat real quick. My breakfast was so good. Got my water, getting prepared for all of the big announcements. It's so cool because there's creators from all over the world. So you guys know I love meeting so many different creators. So this is so fun already. I got my girl here. Hey! We were just in Paris together. Look at our color combo. Love it. Cosmo Wanda. We are headed on a tour of the Google offices. It's already really cool in here. I've never been here before, so I'm pretty excited. There's people working, so I have to not get them in the video. Let's go check out the different sculptures and everything they have in here. What in the world? Where are we? This is pretty cool. I'm actually going to work and just seeing this bad boy. So all of these sculptures were actually purchased from Burning Man. Okay, time for some snacks. I need some healthy snacks in my life. Banana, some grapes. Yes, please.
Should I do like a grand entrance?
Do it.
Hi. Sorry, I forgot I had a bag on.
These are some little work nests, kind of a vibe, where you can take a nap during lunch. Apparently that's what people do here. It's so nice that you can see the mountains from here. Wow. This place is like a huge playground. Colorful everywhere. Oh, we got the iconic bikes. Guys, and I've actually seen people biking to work on these. Like, it's not just on the internet, it's for real. Look at this. We're generating total watts collectively beginning. Woo! Let's light it up, guys. What do we have up here? Oh, okay, cool. Now there's a dinosaur. And on the other corner, we have these really cute Vespas. Oh, and look at all the beautiful decorations up here. I would normally go for this guy, but I love this basket. This is so cute. This place is so fun. No idea why this is in here, but I love it. We have these beautiful flower installations and a map, because I feel like if you work here, you need a map, because I'm already lost. All right, we have my new friend over here doing a doodle for us. Stunning. I think you need to change your profession. So we got some bikes and this beautiful view of all these mountains. So here there's actually monarch butterfly habitat. There's also an outdoor gym for employees to work out in. Then we have the Super G that we're walking to right now. We love the fold. Look how big it is. I got to go to the keynote and then check out some of the coolest new features. I'm so excited to tell you guys which ones are my favorite. The Pixel 9 lineup includes the Pixel 9, the 9 Pro, the Pro XL, and also the 9 Pro Fold. It's really cool that the Pro now actually comes in 2 sizes, and of course I was excited when it was announced in the rose quartz color. We're getting a 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel telephoto zoom camera that can go 30 times with super res zoom. In the keynote, they really touched upon the night sight video capabilities for the Pro series. It takes super sharp videos in low light situations such as restaurants and nighttime skylines, so you'll be able to see the rich detail and color even when it's dark. The video boost feature enhances your video to 8K res. It improves the color, lighting, and stabilization in your video. Okay, before and now with the video boost on, that looks like a completely different setting. Stunning. So your camera actually shoots 2 different videos and then merges them together to make this video boost. It's really interesting. I'm excited to actually try it out and see the difference between a regular video and video boost. And with the Pro series, you're actually able to control your camera like a pro. So all the settings are going to be right there. You can adjust your aperture and lighting, everything right from your main camera. As always, the main difference is the camera, so I'm going to have to test them out and let you guys know if there is a huge jump. A lot of people shy away from interacting with AI models because it's not conversational and sounds a little bit too robotic. Gemini is actually getting a lot more intelligent with enhanced conversational skills to make it seem more human. It's also intelligent enough to interact with other apps and services. With Gemini Live, you can actually interrupt or just change subjects completely to have a more free-flowing conversation. There are so many ways I feel like I could utilize Gemini in my everyday life. You can take a picture of the food in your fridge and it can tell you what you can make from those ingredients. And if you're watching a YouTube video, you can actually ask Gemini to summarize and make lists of things that were mentioned in that video and even turn that into recipes or to-do lists for yourself. I really love that you can talk to Gemini like a normal person and that it can interact with other apps and services. There's so many new features for the Pixel 9 lineup, but these are my favorite. Starting off with the Add Me feature. We actually had Jimmy Butler come on stage to showcase this Add Me feature. So if you're in a group, one person has to be the photographer, right? But you want that person in the photo too. So with this new Add Me feature, you're actually able to take one photo and then switch photographers and the other person can go in and it merges these photos together and looks like everyone was in the photo at the same time. I even got to try it out myself. I did a little heart thing and it worked out really, really good. It actually creates a white square around the photo so that you get your framing right, so the next picture you take actually looks more accurate. So this is the new Add Me feature, and you can take a picture with a group and then swap out the photographers so you're in the photo. If you guys didn't know, I actually have a twin. We love her. She's cute. And here is how it turned out. I love it. That's so fun. I feel like this is really good for family vacations or even just doing this for fun. A feature that grabbed my attention was the Made You Look feature. This feature is on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold series. It basically puts animated clips on the screen so that when you're taking a photo of a child and you want them to smile and grab their attention, they'll be looking at these animated characters, smiling at them, and then you can snap the perfect photo. I didn't realize till after when I tried it for myself that when you smile, the characters on the screen know that and they kind of like explode on the screen or do some fun things to make you even more engaged. You can keep snapping photos of your little ones. This is a new Made You Look feature. I'm always taking pictures of my nieces and I feel like this would be perfect to grab their attention. And these are the different options we can choose from.
Yeah, you can choose cap.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, chicken. And
okay. Oh, cool. And then they'll love it. Oh, cute. If you actually smile, then you have more friends on the screen. So with the Made You Look feature, they have all these cute little characters, but they're actually partnering with Pixar. So there's gonna be the Inside Out 2 characters on the screen, which all kids love. So that's gonna be awesome if you're trying to get amazing photos and videos of your little ones. If your photo album on your phone is littered with screenshots like mine, you're gonna love this new feature. This is a new AI-powered feature coming to Pixel phones that will analyze your screenshots screenshots and kind of put them into groups and organize them for you. I feel like screenshots always get forgotten, so I like this feature because I can just go back, go through it, and it's organized for me. The example they had in real life was that they screenshotted Keke Palmer's new book as a gift idea for his girlfriend. And then Keke Palmer actually came out on stage, which was really cool. I think the screenshot feature is actually going to be my most used and something I value the most out of anything that was announced. The magic editor is also really cool. You can manipulate parts of the photo by just tapping or circling and saying what you want to do to change it. Reimagining as a raging river. Let's see how it turns out.
Yes. And then, so it's generating right now. And
awesome.
There we go.
Whoa! So we're gonna show how we can fix a photo in a magic editor.
And I'm gonna say something like ocean waves to give it a little bit more texture. All right.
A photo that's not Instagrammable to a beautiful Instagrammable photo. Yeah, it's really fun playing around editing photos, putting flowers in a field, or just changing the landscape, of course. But a reason I would actually use this for real is if someone takes a landscape photo of me, but I want to put it on my Instagram stories, for example, you can just click one button and it will change the dimensions for you.
Tap the preset button and I'll go to auto frame.
Auto frame, let's do it.
And auto frame is going to help me come up with different compositions that I might prefer. And boom,
wow,
there it is.
What a shot.
But let's say you want it in portrait.
Oh my gosh, for Instagram
social.
stories
Exactly.
or something. Okay, that is so useful for me. It's also good if you're having someone take a photo for you and maybe they like cut out your foot. You can use this magic editor to put a shoe on your foot or all these fun different capabilities. The last feature I think I would personally use is the call notes feature. This would be really good for meetings or even work phone calls. Basically, the call notes feature records your call and transcribes it into a note, so when you're finished, you can go back and read everything that was said. I'm always jotting down notes when I'm on the phone, especially for work calls, so this is gonna be really useful for me. There are 3 really cool features coming to the Pixel Watch 3. Now it comes in the 41 and 45 millimeter size, and it's actually in a beautiful pink color. So if you have a small wrist like me and love girly things, you might want to check this out. The first big announcements were to their fitness abilities. We have a new daily readiness score, cardio load, and target load. I love looking at my daily readiness score on my Oura Ring, so now it's gonna be cool to have it actually on a watch. The next feature that's a standout is the loss of pulse feature. It will detect if your heart ever stops beating and will automatically call emergency services. It will send an automated message along with your location. I hope no one ever has to use this feature, but I love seeing companies make these features in their wearables. The last thing that stood out is the hold a minute feature. Basically, if someone's calling you and you're in a loud space, you can make them hold a minute, go find somewhere quiet to talk to them, and then have your regular conversation. This always happens to me when I'm at the gym or like outside on a walk and it's loud, so this gives you a minute of time to go find somewhere quiet to talk. It's also cool to see the integration between the Pixel and Google ecosystems, like the ability to use your watch as a remote and even stream your Nest camera onto your watch to see who's at your front door. Lastly, we talked about the Google Buds Pro 2. These are actually the smallest premium earbuds in the market. They're also supposed to be the most comfortable and secure fit. You can actually twist them to make them more comfortable in your ear. I'm really picky when it comes to earbuds. I feel like a lot of them bother my ears, they're too tight, or they fall out. So when I get my hands on these, I'm definitely gonna tell you guys my honest thoughts because my ears are really small, so a lot of the times they're just not comfortable for me. These actually do weigh less than the previous model and are really small, so I'm excited to see how secure they will be in my ear. They're also the first earbuds with Gemini Live, so you can use all the features I talked about before with your earbuds in your ear. I actually got my hands on the Google Pixel 9 and I have a few more devices coming in. This is gonna be my first time testing out the Google Pixel series, so I'm excited to see how I like it, and I'll let you guys know all of my honest thoughts and opinions. I'm gonna be straight up. I love how this looks. They really hit the mark when it comes to making a phone look beautiful and the colors that we all want. I wanted a pink like this. I'm actually gonna unbox this and do a whole week in the life review using a Google Pixel for the first time ever. I'm also excited to use the features I talked about and see what I'll actually use on my day-to-day workflow and if they're worth it. I had a really good time at the event. I'm intrigued by these products and I can't wait to create more videos for you guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!